Welcome to Book Jobs Daily, the show where local business owners find the money hiding in missed calls, slow follow-up, weak reviews, and messy systems. I'm Star Riley, and each day we break down one local revenue leak, one simple AI-powered fix, and one action you can use to book more jobs. Today, we are fixing one leak that could be costing you real money.
Welcome to Booked Jobs Daily. I'm Star Riley, founder of MyUSALocal.com, and this is episode 129 for May 15th, 2026. This is your daily show for local business growth, practical AI, and revenue systems that help turn missed leads into booked jobs. Every day, we look at one problem costing local businesses money. Then we break down the simple system that can help fix it. Today's revenue leak is the 60-second repeat habit, micro-offers that turn completed jobs into quick repeat bookings, referrals, and add-ons. By the end of this episode, you will know what is happening, why it matters, and one step you can take today to protect your leads, improve follow-up, and book more jobs. Let's get into it.
Hook, here's a quick, uncomfortable stat. Businesses lose up to 40% of short-term rebookings simply because they ask too late or not at all. But there's good news. A 60-second habit done right at job completion can flip that number without discounts or complex funnels. This isn't about begging for business. It's about a tiny, repeatable offer at the moment the customer already trusts you.
Promise, in the next 10 minutes, I'll give you 3 micro-offers you can deploy immediately. A maintenance micro-upgrade, a short window loyalty discount for the next job, and a gentle referral nudge with a one-tap booking link. I'll read exact scripts for text, MMS, and a printed card photo option, walk a 60-second crew workflow, and show a low-tech way to track results so you can see what actually moves the needle. Section 1. The problem. Why post-job revenue leaks happen. Most teams focus on the job, then move on. Timing gaps happen when follow-up is delayed hours or days. Long follow-up messages bury the ask in paragraphs and are ignored. Complex asks, like multi-step coupons or long sign-up forms, create friction customers won't bother with after the truck leaves. The result? A finished job becomes a missed chance. You already earned the trust. You just didn't ask at the right moment with the right tiny offer. Story. A local plumbing crew I worked with changed one habit. After every job, the tech snapped a quick photo of the completed work on the clipboard, sent a single-line MMS with a short offer, and left a printed card that linked to a one-tap booking page. The result? In 6 weeks, they doubled short-term rebookings for maintenance and small add-ons. Not because they discounted heavily, but because they asked, clearly, quickly, and when the customer was most likely to say yes. Section 2. System Overview. The 3 micro-offers. First, the maintenance micro-upgrade. A small, helpful add-on framed as preventive maintenance, for example, a quick filter swap or system check for a set low price. Second, the short window loyalty offer, a timed discount or priority slot if they book the next job within 14 days. Third, the referral nudge, a friendly note offering a referral credit and a one-tap booking link to make recommending you effortless. Each offer is short, benefit first, and low pressure. They're quick wins, not full-blown sales pitches.
Section 2. Step-by-step workflow. Here's the 60-second routine your crew can do on every completed job. Step 1. During cleanup, the tech checks a single line on the job sheet. Did we offer the 60-second micro-offers? Check yes or no. Step 2. Take a clipboard photo of the completed job and customer name. Photo goes to the office thread. Step 3. Send the pre-written SMS or MMS right there from the truck. Step 4. Leave a printed card with a single sentence and a QR code or short booking link. That's it. 3 actions under 60 seconds.
Exact scripts you can copy. SMS text. Hi, first name. Thanks for letting us help today. Quick option, we can add a 10-minute preventative check for $29 if you'd like. Available if you book within 14 days. Reply yes to book or more to learn. MMS photo text. Attach the clipboard photo and say, here's what we finished today. Want to lock a quick maintenance check-in next? Tap here to book. bookedjobsdaily.com/one-tap. Printed card copy. Front. Love the work? Save 10% on your next small service if you book within 14 days. Back. One-line referral nudge and QR link. Keep language benefit first and low pressure. Who sends what and when? Technician sends the MMS/photo and checks the job sheet before leaving.
Office sends a confirmation text if the customer replies yes. The printed card is left by the tech with the final paperwork. Train one person to own follow-up responses for that 24-48-hour window, so replies don't slip. For tracking, add a single column on the job sheet. Micro offer, yes, no, and result, none, booked, referral. That one column will give you clean, testable data without extra software.
Section 3. Implementation options and low-tech tools. You don't need a fancy CRM. Use a printed checklist with a micro offer box, a phone camera, and a shared office chat or group text thread for photos. For one-tap booking, use a simple landing page that accepts appointments or a scheduling page from the platform you already use. Create 2 templates in your phone, SMS-A for the maintenance micro upgrade and SMS-B for the loyalty offer. Put the printed card on a clipboard roll so techs always have it on hand. Train staff with a 5-minute demo and a 48-hour pilot run. Takeaways and quick A/B test. Run a simple 1-week test. Half of jobs get micro offer A, maintenance upgrade. Half get micro offer B, loyalty window. Track 3 metrics: yes replies rate, booked follow-up rate within 14 days, and referral mentions. A successful test for most local businesses looks like a 5 to 15
Action and CTA today. Start the 60-second habit today. Turn the micro offer into one line on your job checklist and do a 48-hour pilot with your crew. To make this even easier, I put together a free swipe file and checklist with ready-to-use scripts, printable card artwork, and an A/B test sheet. Sign up for the Booked Jobs Daily email list at bookedjobsdaily.com/quickoffer to get those files and a short setup guide you can use this week. Before you go, ask yourself one question. How many leads has your business missed this week? Missed calls, unanswered messages, old estimates, customers who never got a follow-up. That is hidden revenue, and that is exactly what we help you find. Book your AI opportunity audit today. We will uncover the leaks, show you the systems, and help you turn missed opportunities into booked jobs. I'm Star Riley. Thanks for listening to Booked Jobs Daily.